Okay, so our fridge needs to be cleaned out, and Dayna feels totally not ready to be on camera, so I just said I'll do it. So I just quickly, whatever, got my hair wet, and
we're going to the beach today, and
We're going to the beach.
Yeah, we're going to the beach today, and I'm not getting ready to go to the beach. So,
all right, so I'm gonna clean the fridge. It hasn't been done in a while. Sort it out. So,
okay, let's go.
Let's do it.
Alright, so I'm back, just for a little overview. Got the fridge cleaned out. That was our Chick-fil-A from yesterday. I don't like having condiments anywhere but up there and on the side door over here. So it's bugging me that those ketchup and lemon sauce don't fit on the shelf. And they have to be right there. But other than that, looks like we need to go to the store. I don't know when that's going to happen. As you can see on this guy, condiments go there. Did a good job. Here's some leftover meat I'm going to use for dinner either tonight or tomorrow night. I'm not sure. Actually, not tomorrow night. But I'm going to do. Then over here I've got my bones that I got from the fridge. I have been meaning to put them in my crock pot and make some chicken stock. I'm probably going to make some chicken and rice, or actually Hawaiian haystacks with that in the next couple days. So I'm going to just have that cook all day until tomorrow, and then I will take care of the broth. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little cleaning video that my husband helped me with. Take care, subscribe, and come back for more.